My name is Joy. I go to UCLA and I take design media arts. I've always been a really artistic student, and I really liked everything in the arts. I never really had any career plans other than being homeless and making art. I was pretty short-sighted. I didn't really think too much about my future. I never really applied my art skills to anything other than sort of making posters for things. I never really brought it to the digital world. So I thought making a UI for an app was more like poster design, but boy, I was so wrong. Game of Apps really helped me learn that isn't all to design, that just looking pretty isn't the entire point of a design. You also have to make it usable and easy for the consumer to understand. I was pretty new to coding. I've done Arduino and a lot of other stuff that seems like coding in the past. I got accepted into Carnegie Mellon early May around. After Game of Apps, I thought, hey, maybe I won't be a broke artist if I do something related to technology. So I looked up all the techie art programs around North America, and I thought that Carnegie Mellon offered a pretty good program. I started getting into VR, and I thought art where you can interact with physically, art that presents itself as an experience, was more interesting to me than art that it sort of consumed at large. So I started getting into experiential art and things that to do with visually stunning things that people haven't really seen before, and I thought the easiest way to do that is through creative coding. Actually, I've got into a bit of VR VJing, where I met a lot of people who had my similar interests. If anyone has been to a concert with a DJ, then they know that there's a lot of bright lights and visuals. And those bright lights and visuals aren't usually pre-recorded videos. Usually they're live and they're set to the music that the DJ plays. It's a visual jockey, which is a VJ's job, to coordinate the visuals with the DJ. And in VR, visuals can be everywhere because that is basically what VR is. It is more interesting to be a VR VJ because you can control the visuals of every aspect of the performance, not just the bright lights. You can also create things that people have never experienced before in a virtual space. There's no limit. My program at UCLA is called Design Media Arts, and it's sort of a program that combines the cool aspects of computer science and sort of artistry. Because a lot of computer science majors actually compete to get into the program that I'm in, because we touch a lot of coding and futuristic technologies that usually haven't been released yet to the public. I just think it's really futuristic. We have a meme class that is responsible for a lot of very popular memes because we're graded on that. So some of the graduates go on to becoming more meme makers, I guess. A lot of people go into VJing, which is to help performers and concert goers prepare their performances and create programs that are used for their performances. Some people create their own creative design studio. There's a lot of possibilities because it's such a new sort of field of coding and art in one place. I think by a lot, actually. It really opened up the possibilities of what computers have with art. Game of Apps really helped me expand that opportunity to explore more about what the intersection of computers are with art, I guess, and how people interact with technology. That was very interesting to me, and that was a main reason why I'm in this career path today.